Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options at the top you want to hold power off. This, as you can see, changes into reboot to safe mode, which you want to confirm by selecting OK. And this will reboot the device. When it boots back up, it will automatically be in safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can start it up. So obviously, mode is designed for troubleshooting. If you don't have any kind of problems with your phone, probably not very many reasons you might want to boot into this mode. Now let's give it a moment for it to actually finish booting up. You can see we have safe mode writing at the bottom right here, and all the applications that will not work in this mode become semi-transparent and monochrome. You can see right here, for instance, one, the assistant, right? Then we see, do we have any other apps? So assistant again. Oh, it looks like this is the only one. So if I try to open up, it gives me that app isn't available. That's what I get as a message. Also, you can see that widgets don't work here. Even though technically Google widgets come with the device, for some reason they are also disabled. But in any case, basically sums it up. Once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, all you would need to do is hold your power button once more, and this time around you just select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.